Hey, welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa Peter, and I'm coming on here today to do another album share with you ladies. And this one is called Memories Are Forever Photo Album. It measures 6.5 by 6.5, and I decorated it with the authentic collection called Cuddle Boy. Very cute paper, and it is an older paper line too. I wanted to do a baby album. So this was the only baby boy paper that I had in my collection. But this album is just perfect for those 6x6 paper pads that we all have laying around. I created this with that in mind. The album is 6.5 by 6.5. I believe this is 2.25. No, it is 1.75 inches. And there's the back of it. Okay. And if you're interested in this, I do have a tutorial for purchase over on my website, scrappinitup.com. And Scrappin is no G. Okay, so it's scrappinitup.com if you want to go check it out and purchase this tutorial. I do have two options for it. You can have an insert here or not. This album does not have the insert in the pocket. Okay, so let's dive in. Okay, so out of the collection it had these cards for each month, and I backed them on white cardstock so she could put a photo on back. And I just created a pocket here and a little flap to kind of hold those in. So then you flip this, and there's a belly band here. Okay, and I made two little pocket cards to go inside, and then she could place her photo here and journal about the 5th month, and that just slides right back in there. And then these, just like that. All right, then you fold it over. And then you have this. Make sure I'm staying in camera. Then that flips out. Very cute album. Very cute. And then this pulls out like that. Okay. And this kind of all just folds back in. All 3 pages are the same. So this one here is 6 months, and then a couple of cut aparts from the collection. And then that just folds. And again, that just flips open. Beautiful paper by Authentique. And it is several years old too. And then this flips open. And again, you have another insert. Maybe just, whoops, upside down. They just slide right back underneath that belly band. And the other option is you leave this open. Where we attached it to the hinge, you can leave it open. And then this goes inside here. Okay. So this one I closed it and then just done, because I wanted to have these cut aparts in here, and I could only get 4, in each pocket, front and the back. And I thought, well, how am I going to get the other 7, the other cards in here? So I came up with that. This album, really quick album to make. It took me probably a total of 6 hours to make. So it does go pretty fast, and the decorating goes pretty fast on it too. Okay. So if you need a quick album to make, it's really a very quick album. And then this is the very back, and again, I just the month, so she could put pictures or journal about the month. Totally up to her. All right. That is my Memories Are Forever album. Like I said, if you're interested in the tutorial, go to Scrappin with no G, scrappinitup.com, and pick it up. Okay, that's all I have for you, ladies. If you enjoyed this video, give me thumbs up or let me know in the comments section below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys later. Keep scrapping. Bye-bye.